Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another vlog. Today we are visiting the zoo. It is Al Homed Zoo and it is located at Dehran Jubel Express Highway in Saihat area. So come on and join me in exploring the only zoo present in Eastern Province. So this is the entrance area and from here you have to purchase a ticket which is 10 Riyal per head. And when you enter in the zoo towards the right you will be seeing different types of plants are planted here in that area, and towards my left to this area we enter to the zoo from this side. And come on, join me and let's explore the area. There is a small section where stuffed animals are kept towards my left, and you can see towards my right side there is a canteen and it was closed. No one was there, though we tried using the machines there available, but they were not in working condition. And here I am taking you towards the first cage. So in this cage peacocks are kept. Let me give you a closer look now. This place is a good place to hang out with your family and friends. The kids will be really enjoying the place, and but do not expect much from this place because very limited number of animals and birds are kept. There were very few families present in the zoo when we visited, and it was quite a silent place that time, and people were having their masks on. So now let's go to another cage. Here there is a porcupine wild in this cage, and you can see the porcupines here. It's a couple. So now we are moving to another cage where foxes are kept. These are the Arabian fox, and you can read the information here that they eat small mammals, and they are mostly present in Arab Peninsula. You can see the foxes here. It is a small and nice zoo, and it is great for the toddlers of ages between 4 to 9. But here you can see that it is very unhygienic and there are flies everywhere, and people are throwing garbage inside. They are throwing the empty cups etc inside the cage, and the monkey cage is full of trash. And now here in this cage you can see vultures and eagles, and look at the bird, how mighty it is, and it has opened its wings as if it is welcoming us. Look at it, so beautiful and it's so mighty. Look at the way it is showing its might. और आप देखें यहाँ पर ईगल्स वगैरह हैं, और इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सीन हियर. So here comes the silent and very lazy alligator, और आप देख सकते हैं कि कितनी शांति से और कितनी खामोशी से ये पड़ा हुआ है. और as compared to other cages, this cage is clear and clean. So here is the main attraction of the zoo, and you are going to definitely enjoy this. Kids will love it. They are silent and peaceful and lazing around. So this is the lion of the jungle, the king of the jungle, and I must say they look unfed and drained out, और बहुत ही poor maintenance है. They are in really bad shape. एंड हियर कम्स द हाइनास। ये हाइनास का केज है। यहाँ पर 2 पार्टीशन में 2 रखे हुए हैं उन्होंने हाइनास। Now let me take you to the most noisiest place of the zoo। यहाँ पर देखें आप, यहाँ पर डक्स हैं, सीगल्स हैं, स्वान्स हैं, और ये जो है तो काफ़ी दे आर वेरी नॉइजी। दे आर लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा ही नॉइज़ आपको इस एरिया में मिलेगी, आप सुन सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पर हैं डियर, और देखिए आप ये काफ़ी शांत और शांति से बैठे हुए हैं। सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अनदर केज। हियर यू हैव ऑस्ट्रिचेस, और इस ऑस्ट्रिच ने हमें काफ़ी एंटरटेन किया था। जहाँ भी हम जा रहे थे वो अपनी चोंच लेकर वहाँ आ रही थी, एज इफ़ इट एक्चुअली मे बी इट वांटेड टू ईट, और वो बिल्कुल अटैकिंग उसका जो एटीट्यूड था वो बिल्कुल हमें ना शूट करने दे रही थी एंड हमें फॉलो कर रही थी तमाम केज में। So I must say, poor animals, they are actually fed up with the flies. The flies are continuously disturbing them. You can look at them. They clearly look so unhappy and tired of everything. So this was it. Although it is not very well maintained and animals are put in small cages, and the animals look unfed and drained out, but it needs huge improvement in terms of animal care and presentation. They are trying, they have colored this area, they have provided the shade, etc., but it still needs renovation. So that's all for today, and thank you for liking and sharing and subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much.